Hello, here with PropViz. In this video, we will take you through how can virtual tours benefit your business. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, imagine how much a virtual tour is worth. Virtual tours are a good example of engaging content that will make users want to stay in your website. Here are some benefits of virtual tours for businesses. Enhance your presence on search. Virtual tour will help you showcase your business to bring more customers to your business and stand out from the competition. Increase visitor retention. A virtual tour offers extra confidence in your business as clients and customers can view inside and see how and where you work. Clients naturally feel more affinity with business they can see. Increase traffic and engagement. Whatever is the business, the evidence suggests that more people will be willing to purchase or work with you if they know who you are. Generate faster and more sales. When a website has 360-degree photos, the conversion rate on products sold on those pages is about 27% higher than for standard two-dimensional images. Contact us today to find out how we can help you to develop a virtual tour for your business.